Hey YouTube, I wanted to do a quick review and demo of the Dremel multimax tool. I've actually had this for quite a few years. I've used it on a bunch of different projects. It's great for doing things like cutting drywall, or if you have to notch something out, if you have to notch out a piece of a beam, or if you have to notch out a piece of molding, something like that. This thing is quick and easy. It works great. They sell different blades for it. This round blade is supposed to be the drywall blade for it. You can use it to cut almost anything, but the thing really works great. They have a newer model. The only real difference between this model and the newer model is this one you need a hex key to put on the blade. The newer model I think pops off and pops back in, but everything else it works the same. I just wanted to show you quickly how easy it is to use and how good it works. What I'm doing is I have this edging here that I need to cut, and as you can see, I got a long way to go. This is actually my second one. I ran through the first one already. I have one more to go after this, and believe it or not, it takes me almost as long to mark it as it does to cut it. It cuts it nice and quick. But I want to show you basically what we're going to do is we're going to take it, I'm going to plunge cut it in, and I'm just going to start going up just to show you. It's that quick and easy to cut through. So if you need to get through a material, this thing really works great. So if you're looking for a multi-purpose cutting tool, this certainly does the job. I pull this out on probably about 10% of the different projects I do around the house, and every time I need it for something, I'm thankful that I already bought it. So if you are considering it, I will give it a good review. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out some of my other videos, and if you want to see why I'm cutting this and what this project is going to do, well, that'll be up there soon as well. Have a great day.